Hey, if you want to set up your custom picture as a chat wallpaper on the Telegram application, first of all, you will have to click on the three lines in the left upper corner and open the settings. From here, go into the chat settings and now select Change Chat Wallpaper. Then tap to select from the gallery, and from here you've got all of your folders and photos. So let's say that I'm opening all the photos and I'm selecting this photo. Now also I can edit this photo, for example change the position, so I can rotate it like this. Also I'm able to draw something, use some stickers, add some text right here, and when I go back I'm able to change the color by using the contrast, exposure, and I can click done. I can click here on the right bottom corner, and I can also set blurred or motion background. To confirm, just click right here. And that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.